Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to create form in Microsoft with your phone. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your browser. So I'm going to make use of my Chrome browser right here. You can use any type of browser available at your hand. Then having opened up your browser, next thing you need to do is to create a new tab. Then come to your search right here and type in Microsoft Form. Then click on search. Then it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here, forms.office.com. Then you allow it to load up. That's going to take you right here. Now, if you don't have an account with Microsoft, you will be asked to create a free account. But if you have an account with Microsoft, what you need to do is to simply click on sign in right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to enter my username right here. Then I'll click on next. Then right here, I'll enter my login password. Then I click on sign in. So after a successful signing into your Microsoft account, it will take you right here. Then from here, you have to choose a template. Let's say, for instance, you want to create a survey or quiz or registration or an invitation. What you need to do is to choose a template. So for instance, I'm going to choose a survey right here. Then it's going to load up like this. Then from here, you can choose a template from different type of design right here. Just like what you see right here. We have market research survey, new product survey, and entertainment event feedback survey, student remote learning, and the likes. So you can choose any of the templates right here. Now, I'm going to simply choose market research survey. Then having click on the survey right here, you will need to start to design your form. Then from the top here, you can simply enter the form title. So you can change to from market research surveys to customer satisfaction survey. So you can start to edit the template. Then you can come here and change the date. Then come down right here, enter the purpose of the survey. Then right here, you can simply click on here and about you. Your information is highly confidential. The following information is for internal research purpose only, and all information will not be shared externally. So the next question here is, how old are you? So you can choose any of the options right here. Less than 18, between the 18 to 25. You can decide to choose between the 36 to 45. This is depends on the type of customer you deal with. Then having selected the option, you can simply make it required for them. Just turn on this button and it becomes compulsory for everyone to answer that. What is the highest level of education you have completed? So right here, you can simply put it in order, because some people might have anything above the doctorate degree. Simply put it in order right here, and then they can simply, then you will have different options. Then right here, you can simply turn on multiple answer. So just like that, then make sure you tick on order right here. So this gives them options to write their own choice of education qualification. You can scroll down. Where do you live? Select your answer. Simply click on here, and then different country and the likes. You can also make it order, as this might come from different people. So simply click on order and then make it require. If you eventually want to know their location, simply click on make it require. Then you can go on and then work on the template. So you can see there are much more templates that are right here. What you need to do is to go on and edit them based on what exactly you need. And once you are done with your form, what you need to do, you can also come to the top right here, check on the preview of the form. So for you to check on the preview of the form, simply click on this icon and you will see how your form is going to eventually look like. And also you can simply click on here if you would like to change the color of the font and the background themes, anything you want to change. So I'm going to simply change the background theme. You can also add video as your background. So many templates right here, or you can go on and click on customize, choose your background template. You can also add background music to your form. This is depends on whatever you are creating form about. If you want to add background music, make sure this is turned on. Then from here, select different types of background music you will like. You can choose campus refresh or whatever music that is available as at the time you are creating the form. Then you can also use pictures as different types of background as the case may be. So right here in this particular tutorial, I'm going to simply choose this type of background picture right here. And each time you are making any change, you will see it in the form style. It's as simple as that. Now, after you are done with the format and you are done with your form, you need to get a link to that particular form that you can share to your audience. And for you to get the preview link of the form, what you need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here, and you'll go to see different options. And right here, this is get prefill form URL link. Simply click on that, and it takes you to this particular point right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on prefill answer, then get prefill link, and click on get prefill link. And the link can be used to share with your audience that they need to fill up the form. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to create form in Microsoft with your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.